Christmas decoration go back hundreds of years. Long before electricity, people decorated their home with evergreen branches, holy pine cones, and candles. These evergreens symbolize hope and life during the cold, dark winter. The idea was simple. If the world outside looked cold and silent, let the home be warm, alive, and full of joy. The Christmas tree first became popular in Germany. Families would bring small fir tree into their homes and decorate them with apples, nuts, and handmade ornaments. When Queen Victoria and Prince Albert placed a Christmas tree in their palace in the 18th century, the tradition spread across Europe and then around the world. Lights came later before electricity bulb excited people used teeny candles on the tree, a beautiful but risky tradition. Once electric lights were invented, Christmas tree truly began to glow, and today this history lives in our decoration. Jute pine cones, twigs, ribbon, and simple handmade ornaments still carry the magic of our Christmas. So let's start our decorating with pine cones. Pine cones are one of the oldest natural ornaments. Simply clean them, dry, and add a touch of white paint. Create a snow effect. You can tie a jute string around them and hang them on your tree or your garland. Twigs are free but they look so elegant. Spray them lightly with white or golden paint and place them in a glass jar. Add a fairy lights for a magical glow. They create a minimal cozy Christmas look inspired by Sandrian decor. Jute thread always bring warmth and rustic charm. Wrap around or glass jar bottles or in can to create candle holder, lantern, and centerpiece. Decorate with teeny berries or fox snow for a Christmas touch. To keep the decor budget friendly, use things you already have. Old fabric, button paper, and even cardboard. Create star hearts, mini Christmas tree, and snowflakes. Your handmade ornaments give personally and love to your decor. As we decorate, let me share a little Christmas story. Once in a snowy village lived a woman named Elisa. She did not have much money, but every year she decorated her small home with things she found from nature: pine palm branches, teeny berries, and old ribbons she saved from gifts her neighbors had. Right, expensive decorate, but only one house glowed with real magic. That's why Elisa. One evening, a young boy named Daniel visited her home. He asked, "Auntie, how does your house shine so beautiful even without fancy light?" Aliza smiled and said, "Because Christmas is not about buying, it's about creating with your hands, your heart, and the memories you put into each decoration." Daniel looked around. There was a pine cone ornaments from a walk she once looked with her late husband, a twig star made during a stormy night when she comforted her daughter, a jute wrap lantern she crafted the day